We know you depend on your dynamic balancing machines to maintain the precision and efficiency of your production processes. Whether you're working with rotors, fans, turbines, or other rotating components, you need a solution that delivers accurate results and has a top-notch service team backing it up. No balancing machine control system is designed to last forever, but that doesn't mean you have to replace the entire machine. When your system becomes unreliable, stops working altogether, or just has outdated technology, buying a new or used machine isn't your only option. Instead, minimize disruption, frustration, and downtime by upgrading your balancing machine controls. By choosing to upgrade your control system, you get to keep the machine you're already familiar with and enjoy all the same cutting-edge technology as a new machine. With ProBal Dynamic Balancing as your guide, you can upgrade your control system for a fraction of the cost of a new machine, while benefiting from our expertise in complete dynamic balancing solutions and machines, as well as world-class customer service for the life of the control. We work hard to understand your unique needs to provide a meaningful and affordable solution. With our extensive experience in balancing machine control upgrades, you are guaranteed to get your machine up and running quickly. We'll minimize downtime so you can maximize productivity. We are a family-owned business committed to our values of service and integrity, with a proven track record of delivering quality solutions across various industries and numerous successful projects. Our goal is to earn your trust by providing exceptional service from start to finish. Ensure precision and efficiency never falter by talking to one of our sales engineers today.